Okay, at the field this morning, back with the Sbach, FMS Sbach 342. After the last trip to my old elementary school, where the landing gear struts collapsed, just like it's been decorated to be like an Autobot transformer, it transformed into a more field-capable plane. I still have the original strut and gears, but I also have extra pair spare. I put that one on, and the issue with these, I've seen the videos, this sleeve is just a plastic sleeve that goes up to about maybe here. There's no reinforcement here for when the gears go back. I've used a wooden ruler, and I don't think you can see this, but I'll post this up with photos on RC groups to basically reinforce the top of the strut here so that it can't go forward like that and break the sleeve. And also I put 3-inch Dave Brown wheels on here, and I use wheel collars as a spacer over on the other side. I fly with the 3600 Admiral, and aside from that, it's just the cosmetic details. I guess after this video will be the first flight up.